These types of 4D cinema videos are absolutely blowing up all over social media right now. And honestly, it's not hard to see why. Imagine you're sitting in a movie theater. The film starts playing on a massive cinema screen, then suddenly, the action literally explodes out into the audience. Water splashes everywhere, fire erupts, dust flies across the theater, pirates charge toward the crowd. Whatever's happening in the movie doesn't stay on the screen, it bursts right into real life. It's the kind of content that makes people stop scrolling and think, wait, how did they make that? And the craziest part? You can create videos just like these in less than 5 minutes without spending a single dollar. Yep, completely free. My wallet appreciates that, and yours probably will too. All right, let me show you one that I created in under 5 minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these videos yourself completely free step by step. All right, let's get into it. The very first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, head over to Explore GPTs on the left sidebar and search for Break the Screen. Then choose this GPT and click Start Chat. Once it opens, simply click Start. The GPT instantly gives you 10 cinematic ideas to choose from. You can type a number to select one of them, or just type more if you want 10 brand new ideas. For this example, I'm going with number 1, so I simply type 1 into the prompt box and hit send. Once you send it, ChatGPT generates a complete prompt pack, including alternative versions you can use if you want different results. Now, the very first thing you need to do is copy the image prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Once you're there, switch to image generation mode. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9, choose the number of outputs you want, and select the Nano Banana 2 image model. Once everything is set up, simply paste your image prompt and hit generate. Wait just a few seconds, and boom, your images are ready. Take a look at these. They look absolutely mind-blowing. An entire movie theater filled with an epic sea pirate scene that looks straight out of a Hollywood blockbuster. Now it's time to turn those images into a video. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt. Then go back to Google Flow AI, select the image you want to animate, and for the video model, choose OmniFlash because it generates videos up to 10 seconds, which is perfect for this type of content. Now paste the video prompt and hit generate. It takes less than a minute, and boom, your video's done. Take a look at this. It looks absolutely incredible. The animation feels cinematic, immersive, and completely unique. Exactly the kind of content people can't help but watch until the end. Once it's finished, download your video in the highest resolution available, and that's the entire workflow. Super simple, super fast, and completely free. To show you that this wasn't just beginner's luck, here's another video I created using the exact same method. As you can see, once you understand the workflow, you can create unlimited variations with different themes, effects, and movie scenes. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI Zentra because I regularly share brand new viral AI niches, hidden AI tools, and content ideas that are still flying under the radar. You definitely don't want to be the person who discovers these trends 6 months after everyone else. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.